Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Josh Winiarski, and I'm a photographer and filmmaker here on YouTube as well as Instagram, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 tips to make you a more efficient photographer in 60 seconds. It doesn't matter if you shoot portraits, landscapes, wildlife, being efficient is going to get you better photos, it's going to get your job done faster, and you're going to miss less photos, so let's get into it. So tip number 1 is going to be keep extras. Keep extras of everything. We're talking batteries, SD cards, cameras, you name it, try to have an extra if possible. Now, depending on where you're at in your photography journey, this can be a little tricky, but personally, I've ran out of juice in my batteries. I've done the classic mistake of leaving my SD card in my computer. It happens. Now, if you're on a budget, don't even look at name brand batteries. It'll make you want to just throw away your camera and give up photography forever. Just buy knockoffs. They're normally like a fourth the price, and if they have good reviews, they're probably fine. As for SD cards, stick to a name brand, but they can be cheap, they can be low storage, they can be slow. Just spend 10 bucks or whatever you can afford, throw it in your bag, you'll thank me one day. Alright, tip number 2 is gonna be label things. Batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you use up 1, you go to 2. When you use up 2, you go to 3. It just makes sense. I always know exactly which batteries are dead, which ones are juiced up. There's no reason not to do it. Same thing with lenses. If you've got to switch from that wide angle to a telephoto because a mountain goat just appeared out of nowhere, you don't want to be fumbling around with lenses. Is this a telephoto? Which lens is which? You don't know. Use tape, use a paint marker. I don't care. If it's stupid but it works, it isn't stupid. And my last tip is make a checklist before every shoot, or at least the important ones. Are my SD cards emptied? Are my batteries charged? Do I have my filters? It doesn't matter if it's on paper or on your phone. You don't want to drive 300 miles to a location or go meet someone for a portrait shoot and not have something you need. It's always a good idea to have a little checklist. Anyways, hopefully one of these tips helped you out. Like, comment, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you all in the next one.